What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use the Palm to take selfies on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open camera. Now after opening the camera, tap on the settings icon on the top left corner and then scroll down and here tap on shooting methods. Now in shooting methods, here you will see a show palm button. So tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button, show your palm to the camera to take selfie or start recording selfie videos. So after turning on this button, open the selfie camera. Now you can show your palm, and when you will show your palm, it will take a picture after the countdown of 3. You can also turn off the countdown from here, but it will still count, and that's how you can take selfie by using your palm in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.